Good morning YouTube family and welcome back to another video. It is around 7:30. Just walked my mom to work and always on the way back I come past here because as you can hear there's water cascading down by this Apple building in the background, and it's just such a nice and peaceful way to start the day. As you can see, it's still very hot outside, but the buildings have mostly covered the sun's rays, so it's a beautiful nice shadow. There were some people running, I saw one person on a bicycle. Also, you can see this way is just a really beautiful environment here. I thought, you know what, let's start the day nice and hard. I've been far too relaxed, and I always feel like if you start the day doing something hard, it just makes everything else for the rest of the day really easy. So with that being said, I am going to go to the gym, head back to the room now, grab my gym clothes, go to the gym. But I just love coming here, just sucking it all in, being really appreciative, and just having this beautiful backdrop behind me. So if you're not already a part of the family, click the subscribe button, click the like button. Let's just keep on getting better together, growing together, and just spreading happiness and positivity to the world. So let's jump into the video. After resting just about 10 minutes with my legs up, just to relax after a pretty intense gym session, the weather's still beautiful, so it's time to head to the pool, take my card, grab my cap to not get too burnt, and most definitely a water. They give you fresh water at the pool, but I have some creatine in here from when I just came back from the gym. And something that was really cool that I noticed, you see my sunglasses here? I just like pretty much leave them lying around. When they came to clean the room, they actually put a sunglasses or glasses like protector and cleaner from the hotel from it, which I think is a really nice touch. So I've got everything I need. Let's head to the pool. Super lucky, pretty much have the whole pool area to myself. Actually, I do have the whole pool area to myself. I've ended up taking this cabana in the corner because like the last 4, 5, 6 days I've noticed that that is the one that's always in the shade, and I really don't want to get burnt. You can see the sun popping through. It is hot, really hot, but the whole setup of this hotel is just really beautiful. The whole place is to sit. You go all the way, walk down, you have a view over Abu Dhabi, and then in the corner they have some showers and that to wash off. They also have some moisturizer, they have some sun cream and everything there also that you can just sit back, rub it on. You don't have to worry about buying any, because I know the last couple of times I refused to buy because they're just so expensive, end up getting super burned, end up getting heat stroke. So just taking it easy. There's a little bar in the end there, as I've showed in the other videos, where you can go and get stuff, but it's just super lovely being the only one here. It's about 8:30, 8:45, so not super early, but not late. I'm sure a little bit later it's going to start filling up, so I'm just going to get comfortable there, spend maybe an hour or two there, have a jump in the pool, and then show you maybe a little bit of the Galleria Mall. It's like a very high-end luxurious mall. When me and my mom walked in it the other day, we're like, okay, we cannot afford anything here because it's just like Louis Vuitton, Dior, Prada, like just the most craziest shops you've ever seen in your life before. But good on you if you can afford that. But yeah, so just going to relax here, head in there. I probably won't be able to film because it's highly prestigious, but beautiful day, and just ready to suck it all in. This is the bottom entrance, what you can take from straight to the hotel and then end up into where all the designer shops are. They are all down there, the artwork, everything. Some Michelin star restaurants, they have like a wall with cascades down of water. But I decided, you know what, I think I need to go get my mom something just to say thank you. So I just went to Louis Vuitton, picked her up something really small. It doesn't have to be anything of value. It's just to show that I appreciated her for everything she did this trip and everything she's going through. So super nice. Just wanted to go and get her something like that. So I've got this now. Gonna head back to the room. I try to put on a somewhat appropriate outfit so they didn't laugh me out of the shop, but as I said, picked up just something small. Gonna give it to her, not film it or anything like that, just to show, look after your loved ones who always look out for you. And then the weather's still beautiful outside, but I'll probably go and maybe get some McDonald's or something, because life is all about balance. I just want to touch on something very quickly because I don't think I made it clear in the last part, because I was trying to film quickly. There were constantly people coming in, so I was trying to just find a quick little break. And that is that it doesn't matter if you buy something for $1, $10, $10,000, or you make something yourself to give to a loved one. That's not the point of it. It's just to show you the appreciation. And that's what I wanted to do. I'm not saying like, oh, look at me, I can go and spend money at this or buy this bag or that bag. That's not the case. The case is just to show appreciation, to say thank you. It was also my mom's birthday, and we still haven't gotten her the present yet. So this is also just a little bit of a small thing that goes towards it. But that's what I'm trying to say. I'm not trying to show that, oh, look what I can afford, look what I can go and do. That's not the case. She would have, I'm telling you right now, she's going to complain about me buying this and not when I want it. She would have rather just preferred me to write her a note or something like that. So it does not matter, as long as you show you appreciate them and you are doing things and going out of the way to show them that they feel appreciated. So I just want to please make that clear. Don't think you have to go and run out and spend massive amounts of money on loved ones, because that's not the case. And your loved ones, if they really love you, that's not what they want. It's just something really small. I like to share my life. I'm completely open, completely transparent. So I hope that makes everything clear. And like I said, now I'm going to McDonald's to get a McDonald's burger, because that's just what life is all about. So I'm going to head back to the mall, and then I'll probably take you guys with when we head back to Dubai. We have just arrived in our room. This is at the Sofitel, the Obelix. So in Dubai, you walk in, got a nice big full-size mirror there. A little station if you want to make some coffee. They have some Voss water. Obviously downstairs is here. You have your refrigerator. So we come in very nice, 2 single beds. All the finishing and everything is actually very nice. Twin beds, I should say. Have a lovely big area. Also, if you've got important stuff to do, you can sit there. And then before I show you the bathroom, also another seat here. You can look out. This is the Wafi Mall downstairs here. It's a very nice mall. Lots of nice places inside there, and a pretty nice view over the one side of Dubai. And then if we work our way here, we go to the bathroom. I think a bathroom can really make or break a room, and this bathroom is really lovely. So we come in once again, the double sinks, the scale at the bottom, and a massive bath. All your different options over there. The road behind the door, and then in the inside, it's a very much Egyptian themed, especially with the Wafi Mall. As I showed you guys, another massive shower. All of your conditioner, shampoo, body wash, everything's by Balmain Paris. So very nice. But in all, very happy. It took us a little bit longer than usual to get here, because in Dubai, if anyone knows, if you miss the one off ramp, you then stuck on the freeway and you got to do it all the way back again. And there was lots of traffic. So it took us like 2.5 hours instead of like 1.5 hours. But we're here now. We're very happy, and we're going to get settled. This is my current set. I've just been at the pool for about an hour or so. So this is the hotel. It's quite a strange one because it's quite big and vertical instead of like horizontal and flat, if that makes sense. You can see in the distance down there, the Hyatt Regency Dubai Desert Creek. That's where we usually stay. Along the sides have all these private cabanas you can rent out for like 1,000 dirhams a day, which is really expensive. They have a hotel bar at the side, so if you want to just go swim in there, get something to drink, just relax, read, you can do that too. But they also have like another area top there, another bar area, some seating areas to go and sit outside there, which is also really lovely. A nice little waterfall with a bridge you can get over. I haven't gone in the water yet, so I probably will. Just on my shirt, they gave you a drink. Also, I'm like right by the far other side, have an umbrella to keep myself out of the sun, out of the Dubai heat, because it's still around 40 degrees. But this is just how my afternoon is going to look, and then go dip in, relax a bit, and come back here. But very nice, scenic and tranquil environment. Just sitting around and doing nothing. So even though it's meant to be holiday, I'm going to go downstairs, try and do a 5-kilometer run on the treadmill. My foot's still a little bit sore from the super long run I did outside when I was in Abu Dhabi, but now we're in Dubai. It's been a couple days. I thought, why not give it a try? I'm looking at a beautiful view of the whole skyline of Dubai. The whole freeway is so busy. It's a city that really never sleeps. So I'll quickly show you this. Head down to the gym if there's no one there. Show you guys the gym and everything like that. Get a little run in, come back, get changed, and then go to a shopping mall, get some dinner, and just enjoy the atmosphere. But have a look here. Not the cleanest window, but you can see the Burj Khalifa there, the whole view of Dubai, the sun slowly setting in the distance, and then look how busy this freeway is. But really beautiful view. Looking forward to seeing what it looks like in the evening. But let's head to gym. A very quick look at the gym. We have the entrance there. We have 2 types of machines. This side, leg press, lower back, some ab exercises. some treadmills. There's also a little weight section on the other side, some place to get refreshments. It is a little bit hot for a gym, around 24.5 degrees, which I think a little bit too hot in the summertime. But hack squats, some leg extensions, and then just your standard other types of things. Very nice that they have a couple TVs set around the whole thing. These things are extremely fun and extremely hard to run on, but all in all, nice gym. I would say it has all the basic essentials, but out of all the other 5-star gyms, I would say it probably ranks on the lower end just from service and everything you get. But you can see I am completely exhausted, so grab my stuff. I already wiped down the machine, cleaned it. There were some disinfectant wipes there, some puddles, a little bit on the floor. Okay, I need to still clean that up. Grab this up, have a shower, and then head out. The area where I'm currently staying in is the Dubai Healthcare City. You can see there's a metro stop right there. Very, very well connected, lots of taxis, and it's more in, say, like the local type area compared to your very popular JBR, Dubai Marina and everything like this. It looks like I am going to give a desert safari tour today because I'm in all my browns, but it is very warm outside, so that's why I've also taken some water just to make sure we stay hydrated. But it's been a really, really lovely day. Today we're going to go to, we always go to more of the local malls because obviously my mom's been living here for numerous years. Instead of going to the mainstream malls, people like to go to, say, Dubai Mall, Mall of the Emirates, but the clothing, the food, everything, there's like 3-4 times the price. It is absorbent. But if you say go to Deira City Center or like a Festival City or even the Wafi Mall, which is literally connected to our hotels, you can get brands like Polo, Beverly Hills Polo, Balmain Paris, and everything for like 20-30% less. Sometimes they even have sales like buy 2 get 3 free, we saw last night. So if you want to get really good quality clothes for a much more affordable price at Bernardo, I think it's crazy to buy the same clothes and pay 4 times the price at another mall. Some people like doing that, they get a thrill of it. It's not for me, but right now we're just trying to locate where we can pick up a taxi because we just did a nice little walk around. Our hotel's probably like 15-10 minutes up that way, but we're just going to head to the mall and then just come back and chill by the pool for the rest of the day. And just like that, the amazing holiday is over. I know it was a very strange way of filming because I don't see my mom that often, so I really wanted to spend some prolonged period of time with her and really just give her my full undivided attention. But now we are in the plane heading back to Belgium, then a couple weeks ago back to Dubai, and then finally Ghana. We are coming for you a whole nother month full of videos and everything over the Christmas period, the New Year period, which, is everyone knows, is the best time to be in Ghana because I know a lot of you follow me due to the Ghana and African content, which I appreciate. So if you're watching this video, even when it's not related, I appreciate each and every single one of you. This is my outfit for the plane, just some nice suede shoes on, some high-waisted trousers, which I don't need to wear a belt for, and then just a plain white shirt. I've got my jammies that I'm going to change into, hang up my clothes, throw everything in there, and then get ready for a 6.5-7 hour flight back. So if you're new, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all the support. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Let's keep on growing together, getting better together, and improving little by little each and every single day. And I'll see you all in the next video.